Life is a mystery. Everyone must stand alone. I hear you call my name, and it feels like
Hey, Michelle, I can't believe that today has finally come. I hope that today represents everything that you've dreamed of for the probably 2+ years that you've been planning your 40th. I love you more than anything in this world, and I can't believe that we have the life that we have. I love you so much, and I can't wait to celebrate another 40 years with you.
Michelle, I love you. You bring out the best in my wife. Happy 40th birthday.
Michelle, I love you. I'm so happy we became friends. Seriously, like so many memories in such a short amount of time. Can't wait for so many more. Love you.
life is a mystery. Everyone must stand alone. I hear you call my name, and it feels like
home. Hi, Michelle.
Happy 40th.
birthday.
We love you.
We love you. Such a great time. Thank you so much.
Michelle, happy birthday. We love you so much. And Brian and I are honored to be at your party tonight. You know that. And I know he wants to roast you on his 40th birthday, so we'll leave that for the next party. You need to plan our big birthday or whatever birthday in our new house. You're planning our party for us. This is so much fun. We love you so, so much. Love you tons.